This is a quick blog on a janitorial marketing, commercial cleaning, commercial carpet cleaning, marketing overview. Now, the whole purpose of this is just going to be a real quick one. And I just think that sometimes when you show pictures that you can visualize a point, that it can really click in for people. So the point of this blog is to stand back and think of marketing from a big picture standpoint. So I'm going to show you the first picture, and this is how most people think of marketing, especially in social media where we talk in some of the groups. People always ask the question like this. Uh, does direct mail work in a straight line? Does the phone work in a straight line? Does social media work in a straight line? And the answer is yes, each of these things do work. But that's not really how we want to be thinking about this. How we want to be thinking about marketing is we want to be thinking about it like this, where right here, this white spot right here, this is the prospect. And we want to connect with them from 3 or 4 different sources. So, direct mail, we connect with them with social media, we connect with them with the phone. Then, let's say they do a search on Google for commercial carpet cleaning or office cleaning, whatever service it is you want to focus on. Guess what? Guess who pops up? You pop up. And that's after they've seen some of your direct mail pieces and maybe you've called them on the phone a couple times. See, this is when your marketing campaign really kicks in. This is a comprehensive plan. And I think if you see it like this, it'll make a lot more sense than when we just tell it to you and we just talk about it. Now, a couple of months ago, I think it was actually over a year ago, I did a blog. It's on our website, methodcleanbiz.com, and it's the top 10 marketing strategies for commercial carpet cleaning. And this can apply to janitorial marketing, commercial cleaning. It doesn't really matter. It's just a commercial business to business marketing strategies. And I came up with 10 of the main strategies. Uh, and they're the phone, door to door, direct mail, LinkedIn, Facebook, and I went through all these different options that you can take. And over the long term, we really want to do all of them. But in the beginning, we have to start somewhere. So I think the best way to do this then is to choose 3 or 4. And I know what the next question usually is, what is the best 3 or 4? And I really honestly cannot answer that question for you because it's going to depend who you are targeting and what kind of service that you are selling. For instance, if I was selling to restaurants, I would want to focus on door to door because it's just practical for door to door. That's not some brain surgeon um, that I came up with that. It's just practical for door to door. Most of the managers are accessible before the lunch hour or the dinner hour, so you can stop by and speak with them. Now, on the other hand, what if you were targeting, say, large employers that have hundreds of employees? Well, they usually have security guards. So if you stop by and try door to door for a company like that, well, guess what's going to happen? The receptionist is going to say, do you have an appointment? No. And that's why, in that case, you would want to use a telephone. But that will be a completely different blog that I'll have to do. This was just a short one that I wanted to show it to you so you can visualize uh, how to put together your marketing concept. And I think it'll make a lot more sense to you if you see it like this and to compare it to this is how most people think of it. Does this work? Does that work? and they go all over the place. And that's really not how you want to do it. You want to do it like this, where whatever prospect that you're targeting, you're hitting them with 3 or 4 different things all at once. And then at the end of the day, when they go in on Google and they start looking for you, guess who they find? They find you. So that's the whole point of this blog. I try to keep it super short, just so you can get the concept down.